So let's look at the solutions to this practice question. You're given several scratch and win tickets with your fast food order. Each one has 8 places to scratch. So 8 spots, visualize that. 4 are sorry, try again. 3 say free small fries. There's 1 space that reads free dinner. So it says small fries are worth $1 and 1 space that reads free dinner is worth $4. And of course, if you don't win anything, you just get sorry, try again, you get $0. So we might visualize this as 4 spots that say 0, 3 that say $1, and 1 that says $4. And you're asked to do 2 things. You're asked to create a table that represents this random variable. So this was just a visualization. This is not the table I'm looking for. To create a table, I need to list the possible values, sort of a little algorithm here. I want to list the possible values, and then I want to list the probability of each value. So the possible values will be 0, and then I need the probability of each value. So what is the probability of 0? What is the probability of 0? What is the probability you win $0? Well, there were 8 total slots. There were 4 of these that gave you $0, so the probability is 4 over 8. Similarly, for 1, there were 8 slots here. There were 3 slots that gave me $1, so the probability of $1 is 3 over 8. And for 4, there was 1 slot that had 4 out of 8 total slots, so the probability here is 1/8. And this is how you would make a table representing the random variable. Now, to turn that into a graph, I want to take the information in my table and I'm going to convert it to decimals, and I'm going to list the possible outcomes. So the possible outcomes I wrote down here were 0, 1, and 4. Often we include the missing values, especially if there aren't too many, because these will just have a probability of 0. So the probability of taking the value 0, I'm going to do decimals here. I know that 4 over 8 is equal to 0.5. So that's the height of my first rectangle. 3/8, you can do it in a calculator or a computer, is 0.375. 2 never happens, so the probability here is 0. 3 never happens, so the probability of the height here is 0. And then 4 is 1 over 8. So this would be a way of representing this random variable as a graph. Often we do include the missing values. That just helps us see the shape a bit better.